Morning, y'all. It is May 26th. It's Saturday, Memorial Day weekend. And it's a great weekend because we got some special guests right here. We have Caleb's brother, my brother-in-law, and my future sister-in-law. Boom! We got Katie and we got eBay Kirk. We are getting ready to head to the beach. It is a somewhat cloudy-ish day. It looks like it possibly may rain, but it's Memorial Day weekend. We want to go out and have a great time. We also have my mom here. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
So it's going to be fun. We got our foods packed. We got our snacks packed. Got my backpack packed. Ready to go. We're going to have a great day. So we'll see y'all at the beach. Because we're in our beautiful home, which I love just so much, but we're eating right now, and it is like completely quiet. So that's a success for the veganism for the family. What do y'all think?
Amazing.
Good stuff.
What'd you get, Kirk?
Veggie burger with the works, avocado.
Woo-hoo.
Amazing.
What'd you get, Katie?
The Cuban. It was delicious.
Nice. And then Caleb got his
almond and fruit waffle.
And the mom. What did you get?
Cuban.
How'd you like it?
Very, very good.
Nice. And then I ventured out of my comfort zone and I got the Philly right here. It is so freaking good. So again, if you're in Tampa or even in Florida and you come to Tampa, go to Pharmacy Kitchen in downtown Tampa. Charles is the owner. He knows what he is doing, y'all. He knows what he is doing. Vegan life, y'all. Yeah. Katie and Kirk, Caleb's brother, and then his fiance, so our soon-to-be sister-in-law, they ended up going home last night because, oh, sorry guys, the glare is really bad from those glasses. They ended up going home last night because they have a cat and everything, so they need to take care of their kitty. And then my mom, she ended up staying the night last night, so her and I were going to run to IKEA again, because that's my favorite store, and Caleb's favorite store, huh, honey?
No.
You don't love
That
IKEA?
is a lie.
You don't love IKEA?
Nope. No, I don't. Sorry.
This is news to me. Our whole marriage has been a lie.
Whatever.
I can't go on. So instead of getting a dresser, we're gonna get kind of like this little thing right there. See how that's like a little TV stand? But what I'm gonna get is one that's basically double that. So it's a shelf, but we're gonna turn it over and make it a TV stand and just a little bit more shelving units because I just have a lot of knick-knacky things that I love. I love knick-knacks. And then I think my mom and I are gonna run to TJ Maxx and Ross. We're gonna try to find a rug because y'all, rugs are so expensive. Like, why? Why is being an adult so expensive? Just got us an end table for the house and then a little like TV stand for us and then a light for our guest room because there's no light in there, which is weird. We still need a couple more things and then I'll be able to show you guys like a full apartment tour, but we need a desk, we need some coffee tables, or not coffee tables, coffee chairs, not coffee chairs, what are they? Bar stools, and then we need 2 end tables and like a shelf in the guest room and everything. And then we should be done, and then I'll be able to do an apartment tour for you guys. But it is nasty out today. It is humid, it's windy, it was raining. It's actually, I'll show you. This is just the nastiness of Florida. there's tropical storms supposedly coming. I think it's just gonna rain really hard, but our next stop is TJ Maxx, Ross, and then possibly the grocery store. But I'll see you guys in the next clips, whatever the heck those are gonna be, because I don't even know what today has in store. So here we go. All right guys, we are at TJ Maxx. I am here looking for a rug, but when I get to these places, like all this cute stuff, it's so distracting. So yeah, we'll see what we can get our hands on, because there's a lot of cute stuff here. Sorry honey, I'm gonna come home broke. Y'all, it has been just a crazy week and a half. I don't even know how long we've been in this place. I think almost 2 weeks now. So it's been crazy, but a good crazy. We've been so busy. I've not been this busy in a long time. When we were in Washington, Caleb and I were like super homebodies. We never went out to do anything, just because where we lived in Auburn was almost an hour from Seattle, and the traffic was terrible and the weather was just really not that good. But being out here in Tampa and back in Florida, we have been just go. But the weather's finally nice right now, and Caleb and Russell are out running, and I'm staying home. I am not going to the gym today. I felt kind of bad this morning not going to the gym, but I feel great not going to the gym. Y'all, you gotta listen to your body. When your body wants a break from the gym, give your body a break. If your body wants some ice cream, give your body some ice cream. You can't sit here and feel bad or force yourself to go to the gym or force yourself not to enjoy like some ice cream every once in a while. Now, I'm not saying sit down every single night and eat a whole tub of ice cream, because that is extremely unhealthy. But what I'm saying is you need to find that healthy balance. You need to find that healthy balance. I repeat, healthy balance. And that's what really a healthy lifestyle and a healthy fitness lifestyle should be. That's what it should be. You shouldn't be kind of like how I was back in the day before I got diagnosed with cancer. I would go to the gym every single day, sometimes 2 times a day, and I would be mad or irritated if I didn't feel like I got a good workout in, so then I'd go back. And that's so unhealthy. Now, my lifestyle right now, super healthy. Now, don't get me wrong, there's times where I eat unhealthy food, but that's what makes my lifestyle healthy, because I have that balance, if that makes sense. So yeah, like tonight I'm gonna eat me some vegan cookies. Now, I'm not gonna eat like 10 of them. I'll eat 2 or 3, because personally for me, I just watch my sugar intake with everything I've gone through with cancer. But you have to find that healthy balance. So tomorrow I'll go to the gym, I'll work out, and then I'll still eat food that sounds good, but I also eat healthy food. And going into that, my shoulder just popped. Ow. I will be having some recipes up for you guys. Like I said, I kind of want to know what recipes you really want to see. Do you want to see like more desserts, or do you want to see more entrees, or a mixture of both? And that's also what I want to talk to you guys about too. I have been kind of struggling with YouTube lately. As y'all can kind of tell, I haven't been uploading as frequently as I normally normally do, or as much as I want to. And that's because I've just been kind of struggling. I feel like I haven't been really creative, and that's just because I haven't really had kind of alone time or me time, which is super important for me. I love Caleb to death. I love hanging out with him. I love my family. I love my friends. I love being around people. But I also love being alone, taking some alone time. And that's also another reason why I kind of didn't go with Caleb and Russell on a run or go like work out, just because I need time to myself so I can get my thoughts right, so I can get prepared for the week, so I can, create content for you guys for YouTube and for Instagram, and just so I can help people, because that is my whole goal in life, is to help people, help motivate people, and eventually write a book. And I have been working on that for some time. It's gonna be a while before that comes out, but it's coming. And this is time, like me time is the time where I really get creative. But lately I have really been struggling with what to put on YouTube, like what do you guys want to see? So what do you guys want to see? Do you like seeing my workouts? Do you like how I used to post workout videos in here and, make it some like informative workout videos with commentaries, with vlogs? Like they will still be vlog style, obviously. Or do you guys not care for the workouts and just kind of like having the vlog style, just seeing what Caleb and I do. So I need your guys' help. Just kind of tell me what you want to see, or if you just like the style that I've been doing this entire time, and just kind of throw, you know, workout footage in there, or yeah, you kind of know what I'm saying. And I'm starting to sweat. I'm having a hot flash. Holy crap. Is my face red? Because it feels like it's getting red. But yeah, so that's what I've been struggling with. I need your guys' help, so let me know in the comments down below kind of what you guys want to see, the direction of this channel, the type of videos you like. But I will see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because there's a lot of cool stuff happening on the gram, especially June 1st. There's something really exciting coming out June 1st, so definitely make sure you're following me on Instagram. It'll be right here for you. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.